PayPal offers a convenient way to fund your Facebook ads, helping you manage spending and potentially save on fees compared to direct credit card charges. You can draw from your PayPal balance, linked bank accounts, or credit cards, avoiding traditional card processing fees. To connect PayPal to Facebook Ads Manager, start by logging into your Ads Manager account through business.facebook.com or the app. Navigate to the Billing and Payments section in the top menu. Click Add Payment Method and select PayPal from the available options. You'll be redirected to PayPal's website to enter your credentials and authorize the connection. Meta only requests read-only access to verify your funds. Return to Ads Manager and set PayPal as your default or secondary payment method. Finally, verify the connection with a small test charge that will be automatically refunded. This ensures everything is set up correctly for your ad campaigns. You'll need a verified PayPal account to connect with Facebook Ads Manager. Premier or business accounts work best for higher advertising spends. Common troubleshooting issues include account email mismatches between PayPal and Facebook, or currency conversion problems since PayPal automatically converts payments to USD. Using PayPal offers key benefits, including support for mobile-first advertising, integration with Meta's carbon offset program, enhanced security through encrypted tokens, potential fee savings compared to credit cards, and better cash flow tracking.